Hi everyone, Namaste. I welcome you all to my channel. My name is Mudit. I'm from India. I'm a sound engineer and you are watching my unboxing video of Macbook Pro M1 chip which I use as my system for my music production and mixing setup. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos of pro audio products and educational videos, and also press bell icon to get notified. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in next video. Till then,